Hi, Maria. This is Mr. Somerville and Mr. Merced and the 10th period class.
Hello. Hi there.
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
We just wanted to say congratulations and tell Jalen we said hi. Hope Mom and you are doing good, or you and the baby, and that would be Mom and you. You guys want to say anything else?
Love you.
Good luck. They love you, and hopefully we'll see you soon. We're just going to go over what are we going over today? I don't know. Well, check the website. We'll figure out what we're going. We're going over last week's quiz along with SOHCAHTOA. Okay? So look over that video again and check back with us, and we'll give you some more information. We're going to start class and then get back to you later. All right? Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, we're back again. We know what we're teaching. We're going to go over 8-3, the video. So you watch the video. I'm going to do this with the class, and then we'll meet back again at the end. All right?
If you want to.
Or Josh says you can go to sleep and then come back. All right? Frank says hello. He also says what? Okay. All right. All right, we're back, Maria. Hope you enjoyed the video. Just had to show you a problem here that we were going over in class. If you're given a triangle that looks like this, we changed the numbers around for you, and you're given an angle of 40, and you have an x and 15. We have to look at which one are we going to use to solve this problem. And if you look at it, they give us the cosine information because x is adjacent to g. So if we're looking at angle 40, which is g, they're giving us x, which is adjacent, and 17, which is hypotenuse, which is the cosine formula. So you'd have to set it up using this formula over there to do your answer. So we would say cosine 40 equals x over 17, which would look like this. So that's what it would look like. Cosine 40 equals x over 17. But I need to get x by itself, so x divided by 17, the opposite of that is multiply. So you have to multiply both sides by 17. Which would give you, so that would give you 17 cosine 40 equals x. And to do that in the calculator, if you go to my website, you know where that's at. Let me find that for you. Go to my website here. Here's my calculator. I need to put in 17 into the calculator. So go ahead, Maria, do this with me. 17, and then I got to put in cosine, which I have to go to this function button over here. Push function and hit cosine, and then I want to put in 40 for my angle, and I'm going to get 13.02. Remember, before you do the problem, we already had it set up before, you saw this, we got to go to the wrench button and make sure that we have the degree button clicked in at the bottom where the radian here behind this recording thing gives it the degree. Okay? All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, Maria, I forgot to take a picture of my screen when I was talking to you. This is what you should end up with. 17 cosine 40 equals x, because they just gave you the cosine information for the x and the hypotenuse 17. So you put that in the calculator, and that's what you would get. 17 cosine 40, and then you would get your answer. So you go to my website, plug in that information, and do that. I'm going to try to put this on here. Maybe you did see it last time. I'm not too sure. But if you go to my website and click into there and go over there to the calculator, going to the original spot, scroll down at the bottom and hit the scientific calculator, and you could put in, make sure you hit the this option button, and we're going to put in 17. You guys have the number I wrote down? 17 cosine 40, right? 40. And there is your answer. But if I didn't put the wrench in correctly and do the degrees, I would have got a different answer. But changing it to degrees, I get 13.02. So make sure that you change the degree button, because if it's in the radian, it'll give you the wrong answer. So that's what you needed to do. Now we're going to take a look at our test we took last week, and you can see how you did. You can check online to see your grade and see what you did, and I'll show you the answers right now. Okay. So looking at the first problem on your test, this triangle is a 45, 45, 90, right? So what do we know about a 45, 45, 90 triangle? That this side is equal to this side, right? And there's a formula that I gave you for finding what? What is this side called in the triangle? The hypotenuse. So in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, your formula for finding the hypotenuse was the hypotenuse equals what? 7. The hypotenuse equals what? 7 times the square root of 2, right? So this is your answer right here, 7 square root 2, because my leg is 7, and I need to multiply the square root of 2 to get my answer. So, and if you do this here, it looks like you got a smiley face, right? Okay, so that was for you, Maria. Joshua, I'm going to give you a smiley face. Okay, let's take a look at question number 2. So looking at question 2, we know the formula, hypotenuse is 2 times the short leg. Do we know the hypotenuse?
No, there is no.
Yeah, there is right here, 6. Opposite that angle, right? As Maria told us, this points to the hypotenuse. We have 6 equals 2. We don't know what the short leg is, just put x down. Because it tells us the short leg is x. So, how do I find out what it equals? Right. I divide both sides by 2, and I get x equals 3. So my short leg is 3. What's that? Okay. Okay, we're back, Maria. Just want to let you know what the homework was. Page 510, numbers 11 and 15. We'll probably see you tomorrow, but we'll give you a little class demonstration tomorrow when we perfect this. And the class just wanted to say goodbye. See you tomorrow. Okay.